Hi there. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're curious about the new viral business opportunity for South Africans. And maybe you're like me and you can't always make the Zoom sessions. Listen, I get it. When I want info, I want it now and not 6 hours later. And that is why I created this quick explainer video to give you everything you need to know. So let's dive in. The business is powered by BeeCoinWise, a company that launched late last year in partnership with CelBux. CelBux is a payment technology company that's been operating for over 12 years. CelBux offers a secure digital wallet that you can use to pay at most of the major South African retailers using vouchers generated in your app. Think of it like your own personal Samsung Pay or SnapScan. So here's how it works. You register with BeeCoinWise by paying a once-off 200 Rand through the referral link of the person who sent you this video. Once you are in, you'll receive an SMS from CelBux to help you activate your wallet. And now, my friends, the exciting part. Firstly, you earn 50 Rand for each person you personally refer, up to 10 direct referrals. Those 10 people can also refer their 10, and so on and so on. You earn weekly referral commissions every Friday and monthly passive income based on how much your network spends using their CelBux wallets. So let's talk potential. On your level 1, your 10 referrals, you earn 100 Rand. Level 2, those 10 refer 10, earn 500 Rand. Level 3, you've got 1,000 people now and you could earn 10,000 Rand. And level 4, if you have 10,000 people in your network, you could earn 250,000 Rand. That's over 250,000 Rand in potential earnings from just a once-off 200 Rand registration. Do you see why I'm excited? Plus, every single time you or anyone in your team spends money using their CelBux wallet at the registered stores, you all earn cashback rewards just for spending like you already do. Imagine turning everyday shopping into an income. My friends, and it doesn't stop there. If your team spends around 1,000 Rand per month, your potential passive income could hit 50,000 plus per month. And with 2,000 average spend, you are looking at around 100,000 Rand monthly. And in case you were wondering, you don't need to wait for your matrix to be full to get paid. As soon as someone registers under you, you start earning. Simple as that. So if you are ready to get started, ask the person who sent you this video for their referral link. Pay your once-off registration fee of 200 Rand, set up your CelBux wallet, and start sharing about this opportunity and sharing your link, and start earning weekly and monthly. South Africa, it is time to start building financial freedom together, and you can, starting with just 200 Rand.